so you've got soil. We're going to put it in here because basically when the light comes on and the soil's in there, it's going to produce heat, and if there are any invertebrates in there, they're going to drop out into what would be a jar, but we don't have that because we're dumb.
We need a jar.
Right, so this is our project. We got the most boring one because we got soil. We know it's chill. And so basically what this is, don't know the name, but you put the soil into this wire mesh and the light bulb will heat up the soil, and any invertebrates that are in the soil, they don't like the heat, so they'll try and move away from it, and they'll drop down into this little cup here, which is meant to have alcohol in it, but we don't have any alcohol because we ain't 18. So, yeah.
Don't put too much. That's where you can find it. Top and bottom.
I got the plan, but that's okay. And then,
On the top.
basically, you have to leave that for 24 hours to actually get anything out of it, and then you come back to it and see what you got. And yeah.
I like sausages for breakfast.
And for this experiment, we started off by getting organic soil from a carrot patch just over the college side. But to do it, like make a fair comparison, you should get inorganic as well. And soil we do have looks like it's quite dry and crusty, so there probably won't be much life in there, if any. So the results,
Heads as well.
yeah, and so the results are probably going to be quite limited because of that.
It will drop down into the cup.
Right, so to finish this off, I need to talk about standardization and limitations of the experiment. And they're too scared, so it's just me. But basically, to standardize it, if you go to repeat the test again, like we took it at around 2 p.m. So you need to do that as well, because the sunlight which is on the soil might affect how many invertebrates are present in it. And also like the weather conditions, like for us today it was quite cloudy. So if you're going to repeat it again, it needs to be similar conditions there. Also, the time of year that you do the experiment in could affect it, because especially things like temperature can affect how many invertebrates are actually in the soil, and that would affect the overall abundance of it, which is the way we actually going to record this, like the abundance of worms that are in the soil after 24 hours.